Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to another wonderful and amazing recipe. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to use honey to strengthen and make your relationship sweet. Okay, if you're having issues in your relationship, if you and your man or you and your woman is having issues in your relationship and you want that relationship to be sweet, you want to strengthen that relationship, you want that bond to be strong so well, you can use honey to do that. Okay, a lot of people don't know that honey is a very powerful item. It has a lot of spiritual benefit, things that you can use it to do spiritually. Okay, so this is a love spell that you can do with honey to make your relationship strong and sweet. Okay, so make sure that you pay attention to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you how to do that. Okay, so for you to do this recipe, first you need to get honey. Okay, now when I mean honey, you are going to get original honey because there are fake honey and there is also original honey. Okay, you need to get original will give you that result that you want. Why fake will not give you that result? Okay, so you need to get original honey. So this is the honey that I have. Okay, this is the honey that I have. Let me open it so you see. Okay, this is the honey. This is the original honey that I have. If you can see it very well. Okay, this is the honey. Okay, it is the original honey. So you need to get original honey. Okay, that's the number one thing that you need to get. Okay, now the second thing that you should get is a jar, a glass jar or a glass cup, anyone you call it. Okay, you need to get one like this. Okay, also you need to get the picture of that your partner. Okay, the picture of that your partner and also your own picture. It can be passport, it can be normal picture. Okay, and you get a piece of paper. Okay, on this piece of paper you are going to write the name of that your partner and your own name. Okay, you are going to write the name of that your partner and your own name. Also get a pink candle. Okay, so these are the items that you need to gather to carry out this love spell, to carry out this recipe. Okay, so now how do you do this recipe? First thing that you should do is to light up this pink candle. Now when you light up this pink candle, you are going to get that honey jar. Okay, keep it anywhere that you know that is safe. Okay, beside the candle that you have put fire on, like they have lighting up. Okay, you are going to put the jar close to the candle. Okay, take note. So when you put the jar close to the candle, you get that name, by your own name and the name of your partner that you have written. You place it, you fold it and place it inside that honey jar. You place it inside that jar or a cup. Sorry. Okay, you place it inside that cup. Make sure that the cup or the jar is close to the candle that is burning. Okay, and make sure that you keep these things in a safe place where nobody will have access to it, all right, except you. So once you have placed the name that you have written on the white piece of paper inside the cup, okay, close to the candle, then you can take the picture or the passport as well and place it inside that cup or that jar. Okay, after placing it, then the next thing that you should do is to get that honey. Okay, you need to get that honey. Okay, when you get that honey, open it and start pouring in that honey inside that cup or that jar. Okay, as you're pouring in that honey inside that cup, be saying what you want in that relationship. Okay, be saying your request, things that you want in that relationship and things that you don't want in that relationship. Okay, now after pouring that honey, make sure the honey is full. Okay, make sure it's full the cup or the jar. After saying all this, after pouring the honey, use the cover of that cup or that jar to cover it. Okay, to cover it and leave it there. Okay, don't touch it anymore. Once you are finished doing this, leave it there and leave the candle to burn down by itself. Okay, after 7 days, you can then replace, you can then pick it and keep it anywhere that you want to, replace it. Like If you want to remove it from that particular place, that spot that you stayed in doing the assignment, that it should be done after the 7 days. Okay, after the 7 days, you can now move it from that place. You can keep it inside your cupboard. You can keep it inside, you know, your purse, anywhere you want to keep it. Okay, but make sure that it is closed, it's locked, like the cup is closed. Okay, once this lost spell is done like this, okay, your relationship will start going smoothly and sweet. Okay, anybody that will come to bring problem it will not succeed in your relationship. Anybody that will come to bring issues into your relationship, sorry, okay, even if you guys have issues, even if you guys quarrel, you must make up. Yes, you must make up and love each other again. Okay, that is how powerful this love spell is with honey. Okay, you always have this sweetness over the other person, your partner, and your partner will also have this sweetness over you. You know, they will like have this sweetness to meet him or her. Okay, so that is what you can do with honey to make your relationship strong and sweet. Enjoying that relationship. Okay, so make sure that you do this recipe and make sure that before you move that jar from that particular spot that you stayed in doing the assignment, it has stayed for 7 days. Okay, so do this recipe and start enjoying your relationship. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys in this video. If you have any question that you want to ask regarding the teaching today, use the comment section. Okay, if you do not understand any part of it, use the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Sure that you turn on your notification button. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.